Basically, what I do is I sit
I see him snoring.
together a tournament where people play bad games and I laugh at them. So usually it's an hour or two match. Whoever makes the most progress at any given point is the victor. They've never played the games before. You know, we've had specials like Home Alone.
Specials.
That's a classic. Recently, yes.